Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 setups for today. So, very volatile week last week, as you can see, and big up, big down, big up, big down, big up, pretty much range bound, or I suppose a better comment would be that it is a megaphone at the moment. So obviously we need to break through the top of the megaphone before this continues in any direction. And if I just do that, it's exactly the same as a range. Now, the level that we gave you on Wednesday, which was down here at 55.67 area, was tagged, and then we sort of rallied, but you can see these big two tails here. And as we get through the time frames, you're going to see the confusion very clearly. So from a 3-hour perspective, you can see middle of the week, big drop down onto the level, and then a quick rally again. Well, not a quick one, but a slow grind, and then a quick squirt up. Sellers came in, buyers came in, and those two long tails there are the confusing part. Trend is up, there's no two ways about that. I still think you need to break through the structure for any more moves to the upside to take place. And I think I'm just going to delete the diagonal. It's probably just safer to look at your horizontals at the moment. So if you look at the hour, look at Friday. This is another reason why we just took the day off. Thursday, down, was all data fed, and then there were comments by the feds and all sorts of things. I think one thing's for sure, next month we should see an interest rate cut in the US, which probably follows suit around the globe. So for me at the moment, we need to break structure before we actually look at anything, and I don't see any other opportunities. There is a fairly strong level here at 56.24, but you'll probably find, just to weed out the weak hands, you'll probably find that 5600 or 5607 is also going to offer. And I think let's just put all those levels in, so you can see there's a fairly strong level, here is another strong level, and there's a very strong level as well. This one at 55.95 or 5600 was tested. Nice juicy 1-hour pin bar with an engulfing bar. So I would expect 56.24 to hold up. Could still come back to 5600, but that's what I'd be looking at for an opportunity to buy into this. Now you can see Friday's price action above the moving averages, below the moving averages, just complete confusion. Nothing really indicating what we need to be paying attention to. And I just want to double check there's no gaps. Doesn't look like there are gaps, or there is. All the way down the bottom, there's a gap right there. There's a small little gap. And that's at the bottom of the range at 55.92. So yeah, I'd be cautious, but I think just looking at the 15-minute, we've had a strong move up, a bit of a flag that's forming. Look at my oscillators, they've separated quite nicely. So I would be looking for not anything at the moment, but this is definitely 56.24 would be an opportunity. Otherwise, what you're going to see is a pre-market break above 56.45, and then a pullback to come and test either this high, current high of the day, or this level a little bit below at 56.24 at the US Open. It is Monday, so going to be muted. There won't be much driving markets, but that's my take on it today. I think still looking for longs. We just need to break through the structure, this range structure, for an opportunity to the upside. But you know, there's massive 526 points. That's almost 1%. So it's 1% up, 1% down on Friday. That's how volatile it was. So that's kind of the bottom of the range. So just keep your wits about you. I think I definitely think we're going to be breaking the upside. There's no two ways about that. It's just a matter of when. So just keep popping in and watching, and you should pick up a fairly decent opportunity to make some money. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.